we are on our way into the Kununurra National Park.
So keen.
This is
Speechless.
the most beautiful thing we have ever seen in our lives. I don't know if you can see that in the background, but it is incredible. What's up guys, welcome back to another episode.
Today we are in Kununurra. I know we said last episode that our next vlog would be starting the Gibb River Road.
Oh, we're still bloody here.
Yeah. So what's happened is we're expecting a package. We're expecting it this morning and we were going to head off, but it's now 9:30 and we still have no notification that it's at the post office.
So we've decided to be spontaneous.
Yeah, instead of just spending the day at the library like we have the last few days, we decided we're going to go tackle the famous Ivanhoe crossing that we've yet to do.
We thought it was on the Gibb, like a part of the Gibb River Road, but it's not.
We thought it was the start of it, but yeah, so we're going to
go check that out.
Give that a go today, and then we've also heard once you cross it, there's some cool four-wheel drive tracks and even a secret little waterhole that we'll go and check out, but hopefully not too much hiking involved up to the waterhole because this dummy is gone and broken or dislocated his toe.
So Megan got me in the water finally and
didn't get any evidence though.
We got no photos, but I pushed myself off a rock and I dislocated or may have broken my toe. It was on a 90-degree angle. It's the second one from the smallest one. And
it was like facing east.
Oh, it was so funny. And I had to pop it back in place and it is in a lot of pain now. I'm hoping I haven't broken it, but I think it was just dislocated. So
yeah, so
not too much hiking.
Fingers crossed, not too much hiking, but I think the forward driving is going to be fun today. So we figured we'll do just a full one-day vlog like we did last time because that was a lot of fun, and
we'll just see what happens.
With us.
We're on our way in and it is rough.
This is a real four-wheel drive.
This is
it's been a while.
It's been a while for the old Troopy, but she's performing. Two old guys stopped us and they said there's a young couple down here. There's 2 deep water crossings. Gave us a few tips. There's a younger, I think I can see them now actually. They got a lower car and they're not sure if they're going to go across, but I'm going to give it a shot. I think. So I think we're here now.
How's the fuel looking?
Oh yeah. Stupid me only put $20 fuel in, not realising it's a 45-minute drive in to the springs once we get here. So it's looking alright. I'm not looking at it. Oh, we're here. I think we're here.
Let's do it.
Woohoo! Easy mates. That's the first one down.
I think this next one is deeper.
The guy made it sound like the next one's deeper, so we're gonna find out. Alright, you guys, we picked up some hitchhikers. What are your names?
Aiden.
Madeline.
In the middle of nowhere, baby. And we're off. All good?
Yeah.
Classic. What a classic, eh? The people you meet in the middle of nowhere. So the reason they were walking the rest of the track is because there's some huge water crossings there. The biggest I've ever done.
Yeah.
The biggest we've done so far. But we made it here. And we don't know where to go.
I think it's just a short, maybe like 150 metre walk, but Yeah, hopefully it's not too difficult for your poor toe.
Oh yeah, my toe's killing me. But I'm not letting that stop me. We're meant to be doing El Crestro Gorge in a few days. Hopefully my toe's better. Look at this, mate. Look at paradise. Beautiful. Done, Megan.
Casualty. I knew this was coming.
Needs a breadcrumb thing on it.
I think
a bread bag thing.
The reef shoes out of the storage box for the next couple of weeks. Just tripping here.
As you can see, it's a tough track, but look at this, mates.
Oh, we're here.
Oh, they beat us there. How is it?
So good.
Bloody beautiful.
Paradise, mate. They beat us here. Look at that.
Wow.
That's nuts.
How good is this?
What do you reckon, Megan?
That's wicked.
Paradise. This is amazing,
This
mate.
is so cool.
The
I love
best
it.
places are the hardest to get to.
Yeah. So apparently up the top there's like an infinity pool as well. So I'm gonna go check that out. How's your toe? Do you reckon you'll make it up there?
I'm going to commit it. I'm not missing out.
The best.
That was
The best.
That was the best place
The best.
we've ever been. All we're going to say is, what was the name of the place? Something Springs.
Well, it's tagged on Wikicamp as Secret Springs.
That's
I
it.
think.
That's all we're saying. You've seen the name of the place. It's tagged Secret Springs on Wikicamps,
Yeah.
and you got to find your own way there because you can't tell everyone. It was like infinity pool after infinity pool after infinity
It was
pool.
insane. And because it was literally like we were climbing up basically a sheer cliff,
Yeah.
so we didn't take the proper cameras up there, unfortunately, but I
Yeah.
just hope that what we did get, I don't think anything can do it justice, but I hope we got a little bit close to it.
And we met some legends.
Yeah.
They had I think I already said it, a small clearance Triton, so
Yeah.
we gave them a lift in because they were walking and they were swimming the water crossings. It was funny. So.
And it's so lucky that we did meet them because we're not the most adventurous with that sort of thing. So I don't think we would have climbed up the side of a cliff to find those pools if we hadn't seen them do it first. So
thank you guys.
thank you.
If you're watching. But yes, that was. We weren't even going to go do anything today.
Yeah.
And we just ended up having the most spontaneous adventure
best.
ever. But anyway, we're heading back. It's a long road in to the main road, and
We got a cool free camp lined up
Yeah.
tonight as well, so we'll probably just maybe grab some drinks and then
a couple of beers, mate.
head over to
Button
Crossing.
Yeah, Button Crossing on the Ord River. Anyway, we're off to town to get some beers. Alrighty guys, we made it to the post office because our delivery came.
Woohoo!
So stoked. We've been waiting so long here. It's been so hot every day. But we're going round back. We're going to pick it up. Big package, mate. They sent us round back. So stoked, eh?
Yeah.
Hey, this Troopy didn't start before.
Yeah, we got talking to, hold up.
What was their names? We met some more legends.
Yeah, we got talking to another couple in a Troopy and they were so lovely and we were sitting there talking for close to an hour.
What's their Instagram name?
It was Studio Overland, Kieran and Georgia.
How you going, guys? If you're watching. But yeah,
we were talking to them for ages and what was going on? The lights were on.
I left the lights on for 45 minutes with the car off, but I don't think that's what it was. It was the water crossings we did. They definitely went over the starter motor alternator and it turns out it is the... Oh, what do they call it? I forgot the name of it, but you might be able to see that on camera. It's when you turn the key, it just makes a click noise there. I forgot the name. I remember it later, but I forgot it for now. When you turn it, just made a click noise, and it's actually the sensors in the starter motor. So something in there's got wet, and apparently it's very common. But the guy at Auto Pro's a legend, and he gave me a rebuild kit for the starter motor if it happens in the middle of nowhere on the Gibb. So I'm hoping that doesn't happen again. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to get this package out.
Do you need help?
We made it. How good's this camp spot?
Yeah, it's good, eh?
Got the beers, mate.
Just
Aiden,
in time for
how good is it?
It's pretty wicked, mate.
This is sick, eh?
It's pretty good.
A few Crocs in there. Get the swag up.
Barely.
Yeah, classic. Anyway, guys, we're going to knock off for the night, and we'll drink some beers, eh? The first beer's already kicking in, so better turn the camera off. See you later. Look where we are. The famous Gibb River sign. Have a look. Oh yeah!
It's official.
It's official. We're on the Gibb. Today we are tackling El Cresto Gorge. First obstacle, Megan. How you feeling?
A bit nervous.
It looks alright.
I'm nervous for the camera in this backpack, not for myself.
Just don't fall over. What an adventure. It's brilliant. Freshwater quocks.
Crocodiles.
There's crocodiles in there. Watch out for the crocodiles. It's gonna get bloody bumpy.